Hello and welcome to English Company, Learn English with ALEX and Maria. This is part 1, How to Converse While Shopping. Hey Maria, I know you're great at shopping. Can you give me some tips how to converse with shop assistants? Sure, Alex. It's pretty simple. Start with a friendly greeting like hello, how are you? It's always good to be polite. Got it. What if I need help finding something? You can say, excuse me, could you help me find a shoe? Or I'm looking for a shoe. Can you assist me? And if I want to know more about the product, you can ask, could you tell me more about this? Or what are the features of this product? It shows you're interested in and want details. How about asking for recommendations? Easy, just say, what would you recommend? Or do you have any suggestions? Shop assistants usually know what's best. That's helpful. What if I need to try something on? You can ask, is there a fitting room I can use, or can I try this on? Simple and straightforward. And for the prices or discounts, you could say, how much does this cost? Or are there any discounts available? It's good to be clear. Great tip, Maria. Now I feel more confident about shopping. Glad to help, Alex. Shopping should be enjoyable, so don't hesitate to ask questions and be polite. Thanks. I'll definitely keep these tips in mind next time I go shopping. Don't forget to subscribe English Company. Tomorrow we'll catch up with new sessions. Learn English with English Company.